stated that the DPWH had a disbursement rate of 34.1% in 2017 and 39.7% in 2018. And the DOTR had a disbursement rate of 25.6% in 2017 and 23.8% in 2018. What does this mean? For every 100 pesos budget, they are only spending, say in the case of the DOTR, 25.6 pesos for every 100 pesos appropriated. In 2017, they only spent up to the 123.8 pesos. So therefore, the contribution of government spending to our economic growth is not being met, not because there are no funds available, but because the funds appropriated are not being spent. It's as simple as that.